the wheel bearing pressed out at school finally. I think it's safe to say this shit was bad. Holy shit. Alright, let's get the new stuff pressed in. Alright, got the new bearing and hub all pressed in. About to clean all this shit up. Shout out to the school for me using the press. And then I'm gonna go get a tire and get that mounted because I'm on wires right now. But after I get this trailing arm installed, my new tire should be good for skids. For real this time.
What do you think?
Skids.
It's wet. It's wet. I play in this motherfucker. I said I wasn't going to, but I play in it every day.
Oh my goodness. This thing is out of control. That's dope. We got no windows in this bitch. Wow, we got 2 and a half on this side. Just cover it all up. Looks like shit, dude. Makes the car look abandoned. Fucking whatever. I did not take care of this fucking car, man. Let this thing just get rained on all last night. Such a lazy motherfucker. Plan for the day is fix our push button start up in there. It's over there on the ground, I think, yeah. Get that fixed up and then reattach this wire so that the light backlighting on our gauge works. Maybe figure out the window situation because this shit sucked. It just rains in here all night because the tarp just blows off. So essentially what we're trying to accomplish is getting a wire down to the trigger on the starter solenoid, because when I first got this car, me and my buddy were fucking with it because it wasn't starting, and we were messing with the ignition and grounded it out and fried it. So when you turn it forward, it doesn't start. So it's just got a ghetto-ass push button switch, and that's how it's been pretty much the entire time I've run the car. But the way the person had it set up before me was there was a little alligator clip that they would just clip on to the starter solenoid, and that shit would always fall off. But I've always been too lazy to change it, and I always just put it back on. But after everything got pulled out from underneath the dash, I have to fix it now, so I'm just gonna put a little spade connector on there. Alright, so here's a starter solenoid, same one that's in my car. It's in there like this or like this, doesn't really matter. We need to attach that little alligator clip to this, or that's what the previous owner did. So we had this wire like that, and then these would be like your 12 volts and then your ground, and then this wire was connected. Ultimate, dude, holy shit, I didn't even realize how bad this was until I took it all back out. This is horrible. Either way, that wire went into here. This was a constant 12 volt from the battery. Boom, starter. Yeah, it looks like garbage. And this looky sketchy as fuck, but don't have a whip to drive to the store to go get fucking different materials, so this is what I had on hand. And let's go to the parts store and get something better.
soup. Man, fuck. That's such a horrid ass noise too. What you grabbing that for?
What an unfortunately familiar sight. Alright, so basically we tried to go hit some skids before work. Thought we might have a little bit extra time. Let the homie hop in, he rips it around, we're all cherry, talking about, oh yeah, it's probably time to get you home, huh? Let's get you back to work. He puts this bitch in neutral. Lo and behold, what comes loose? This motherfucking shifter, dude, just popped right off this selecting rod. Just stranded, had to tow this bitch home. We walked like 10 fucking miles, dude. My phone was dead. His phone had no service. I mean, as you can see, the shifter selecting rod's having a fucking heyday down there on the drive shaft. Fucking Christ, dude. Homeboy's low-key hauling ass, bruh.